Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Venmo virtual card. First, if you're looking for an Inside app tutorial, that's not the video for you, so I apologize. Of course, first you'll need to go and download the app if you don't have it, and if you do, just go and log in into your account right away. If you don't have an account, you can just go and create a new one. Very simple. Of course, you can use it if you are only US citizens at the moment. So, how to get a Venmo credit card or virtual card? All you need to do is simply apply for getting a credit card. If you apply for getting a credit card, of course, you will get with it a virtual card. And as you can see here, what's the difference between my physical card number and my virtual card number? There are several ways to use your Venmo credit card account. You can make online purchases using your virtual card number, which normally will come with your credit card, the physical one. And you can use your physical card as example in stores and online. You can use your Venmo credit card as a payment method within the Venmo app as well. Can you add your Venmo credit card to another visual wallet? Yes, you can add this as well. And of course, like Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, Google Pay. And if you have any questions about adding a card, of course, I've already made a video about it, or you can also check their articles. So, what are the benefits and rewards for the Venmo credit card? With Venmo credit card, you can easily split purchases between friends on Venmo in the Venmo app, earn cashback rewards on your eligible purchases, and pay your bills using the money in your Venmo account. So, yes, there is no annual fees. The Venmo for the Venmo, of course, credit card. So you can see here the terms and rates as an example. If you want, pause the video and read this out. I'll just scroll down here so you can, or you'll be able to read just the most important things, which is going to be here at the top. Of course, you can go and access the article to read everything by your own. So basically, that's how you get your virtual card. It comes very easily with the credit card, automatically into your Venmo account, and you should be good to go. And I even guess that you get one instantly once you create an account, but I'm not very sure if that's. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.